If I don't tell you, you definitely wouldn't know that the lotus root in restaurants is cut like this. No wonder it's so delicious. Today, I'll share a method I just learned from an experienced chef. The lotus root shreds are thin, even, simple to prepare, and incredibly tasty. Lotus root costing 2 yuan per caddy, wash and peel it, and start by trimming one side. This creates a flat base, preventing it from sliding while cutting. Next, cut the 4 sides of the lotus root into thin slices. When you reach a hole, adjust the cutting angle to ensure evenly thick slices. The middle pieces with holes can be used for soups or fried lotus root dishes. Arrange the slices neatly by hand and use a sharp knife to cut them into thin, even shreds. Since lotus root is naturally crisp, chop gently to prevent breaking. The lotus root shreds should look like finely cut potato shreds, very thin and unbroken. Place them in a large bowl and add water to wash off the surface starch. This step ensures the lotus root won't stick to the pan when frying. Rinse several times, then drain the water thoroughly. Add a spoonful of white vinegar to a fresh bowl of water, soak the lotus root shreds for 5 minutes, and drain. Prepare the aromatics. Take a handful of garlic, flatten it with a knife, peel and chop it into minced garlic. Cut a handful of scallions into small pieces and a few dried chilies into sections with scissors. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip the chilies. Place everything on a plate for later use. Next, prepare a green pepper for color. Remove the seeds, flatten the pepper slightly with a knife, and cut it into thin, even strips. Set these aside on a separate plate. By now, the lotus root shreds will have finished soaking. Drain them in a sieve to remove any remaining water. Heat a wok or pan, add a little cooking oil, and stir-fry the chopped scallions, minced garlic, and dried chilies until fragrant. Then, pour in the lotus root shreds and stir-fry for 2 minutes, just until they're tender. Friends, I've shared over 50 home-cooked food tutorials on my channel. Please subscribe and support my videos by clicking like. Thank you very much. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a spoonful of chicken essence. Stir-fry quickly to combine everything. Finally, add the green pepper strips and stir-fry on high heat for 30 seconds. And that's it. A plate of delicious, spicy, and sour lotus root shreds is ready to serve. Lotus root is crisp and refreshing, with a perfect balance of sour and spicy flavors. The recipe is simple and quick. If you like it, save it and give it a try at home. Check on my channel to explore more home-cooked food videos.